The Crozet drinking water system includes a source water reservoir, raw and finished water pumping facilities, water treatment plant, and water storage tanks, all serving 8,700 citizens and businesses in the Crozet community of western Albemarle County. The source water for this system is the Beaver Creek Reservoir, which was built in 1964 and currently has a usable storage capacity of 500 million gallons. In 2016, the Virginia Department of Conservation and Recreation adopted revised regulations which impose new and more rigorous requirements for dams in the Commonwealth. As a result, the Beaver Creek Dam has been reclassified to a high-hazard dam, thereby requiring a larger spillway and modifications. Also included in the dam modification project are replacement of the raw water pump station and piping to the Crozet water treatment plant, a new bridge along Browns Gap Turnpike, as well as an oxygenation system to improve reservoir water quality. Construction will begin in 2024 with completion in 2026. The budget to complete these facilities is currently $27 million. Raw water from the reservoir is treated at the Crozet water treatment plant, which is a conventional surface water treatment plant that can process 1 million gallons of finished water each day. The finished water is distributed to the Crozet area by the Albemarle County Service Authority. The water distribution system includes an elevated tank to supply backwash water for the water treatment plant, filters, a finished water pump station, and 2 finished water storage tanks. Over the past several years, average daily usage of water has increased steadily in the Crozet community, with maximum day demand approaching the current plant treatment capacity of 1 million gallons per day. The Ravenna Water and Sewer Authority is currently completing a major plant expansion and renovation project, as many of the existing water treatment systems are the same as when the plant was constructed in the 1960s and have reached the end of their service life. The water treatment plant will be upgraded and the treatment capacity will be increased through installation of updated and more technologically advanced equipment installed within the existing footprint of the plant. The proposed work will include general building rehabilitation, as well as improvements to the flocculators, filters, sedimentation basins, and chemical systems. By modernizing the equipment within these treatment systems, the plant treatment capacity will be increased from 1 to 2 million gallons per day. The budget to complete these improvements is $8.5 million. Construction will begin in December 2018 with completion scheduled for fall of 2020.